Okay, welcome everyone. Another build today, a little different Harry Potter Lego set. I hadn't done one of these in a while. I think I did on my other channel that I was trying to get going. I did a few Harry Potters, but this is the first one of this one. Backstory of this set is my cousins actually got it for me for Christmas last year, and I'm just now getting around to building it. I've been meaning to for a while. Before I even open it, my plan is to build the black guys one day, the white guys the next day, and the board on the third day. Once I get open, everything may be mixed up and I can't do that, but we're about to find out right now. Looks like it's going to be 10 by 10.5 by 10.5 or 27 centimeters squared on the board, so it's not a huge chessboard. Let's see if we can check this out without utterly destroying everything. Well, it does appear that they've got the black guys and the white guys in each bag, so that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I did this part of the 20 years of Lego Harry Potter. There's a anniversary of Professor Snape in this one, so that should be interesting. Not a super thick book, so maybe we can get that in my 3-day build plan, especially with the way I've been doing it, the faster builds. Looks like they're planning on starting with the board, so that seems fair to me. I can work around that. All right, I've talked for a couple of minutes now, so I will stop it here, get everything knolled out that we need for the first bag, and go from there. Be right back. Okay, let that be a lesson to everybody. Look at all the pages of the instructions before you plow on through. Just had one page. I skipped this page, which would have made installing the tiles a whole lot easier, because that thing was, I was wondering about the flexing on that. But I got there in the end. Got our Snape with our 20 years Lego Harry Potter on the back of his jacket. I'm trying to... There it goes. And of course got the young Harry where they make them shorter so their legs don't bend. If anybody's never done one of the kid ones. And this was, what do they call this? This was a... Oh, I saw it on here somewhere. Collectible wizard card. And there's evidently 3 of them in here. Random. But, well, I say, so far so good. Ought to be interesting. It looks like, it appears it's going to be a functional chessboard for when you, for somebody who wants to play chess. That being said, hopefully I can find some good fantasy type music to go over the build there, and I also hope I don't have to go like ridiculously fast so you can see some of the work I done. That being said, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.